I'm Daniele de Bellis, product marketing with Faber, and we are here today to tell you a little bit about our new soft line range. I want to give you a little bit of insights of these new products that we are launching on the market this year. It is a matter of fact that the FENIX material is a clear trend in interior design and modern design of kitchens. So I can tell you that Faber is proud to put this material on some models in order to give you a perfect alignment of our products to your new kitchen. Let's have a look at the incredible advantages of this FENIX material. This FENIX material has a very low reflection rate to light, so it is extremely matte, and its surface is kind of soft, but it has more like a silk effect. Looks like real silk. It is also extremely resistant to scratches, abrasion, acid, any kind of detergent. So it is basically scratch, abrasion and detergent proof. Last but not least, it is also anti-fingerprint. So thanks to that smooth surface, whenever you touch your product, there will be no stains remain there. And anyhow, dirt will come out very quickly and very easily. Let's have a look now at our new soft line range. We are launching on the market 3 different models in 3 different colors. We have an inclined model, a full vertical one, and a suspended hood. The soft edge is our vertical incline that gives you an A+ efficiency class with a very high flow of 700 cubic meters per hour, and this is it. Then we have the soft slim, which is our full vertical model that gives you good performance, a good design in only 19 centimeters of space. Last but not least, we have our soft cube. It is our suspended model with minimal design that adapts perfectly to all the modern lines of kitchens. The colors we provide with these hoods are 3. We have the Nero Ingo, the Bianco Cos, and we have the Grigio Londra. These 3 colors will match with your new kitchen, and these 3 colors are a choice that will mostly adapt to the maturity of the kitchen environments. So, my final advice: choose FENIX, choose soft line, choose Faber.